A normal person would have 1 or 2 dogs. I have 220.
Och så ner med huvudet allihop.
I just found at least 6 dumped puppies. I want to take them to the foster home now.
The food man is here. Hello, Mama.
They're like a clock. They wait for me every morning. And it started when a dog showed up in the back of the restaurant I was manager for, and I started to feed her, and she was the start. And then it just escalated. He was just covered in wounds and infected. He was in so bad shape. You rescue a dog and you make it feel better, you make it heal. That's a good feeling.
Hey. Oh, you need me to